Hi all, welcome to another data ad hoc stream. Today I will discuss about one of the interesting uh, library I have found for Python. So I came across this particular video, text to speech conversion using Python Data Science Galaxy. Data Science Galaxy is YouTube channel name. So I found it from this video from LinkedIn, and I was curious like how that this particular feature I found only for like AI tools. So I was excited like how it actually works. So I try to understand their uh, syntaxes or documentation from this page. I will paste this link in this video's description so you can also go through it, and they have detailed description like what features this particular library have, so you can also go through. So it have rate, like speaking rate, then for like we can change the volume like 0 to 1. 0 is for almost null, and 1 is for like standard, and for voice 0 for male and 1 for female. So it seems they have sim minimum uh, features as of now, but uh, that's what I found from this overall documentation. And we also can save this output file. So I have created this code in Jupyter Notebook. So let's start to check what I have found and what I have tried to create, and my observation as well. So first we will run this code. So we will get all output. This is standard code for all my program. Then first you need to install PI through PIP, this particular library. Then I have provided current directory. So at the end, when I will save my audio output, it will get saved. So I have folder for data ad hoc YouTube channel, and in that code is there. Uh, Folder code is there. So from this, first we need to run uh, pyttsx3 init. So it create object. Oh, we already run. Wait. Okay, yeah. So after that, we have to update if we need to, if we are going to done any changes, then this particular features you need to look up like voice and volume keep only one, otherwise for 0 it will be no volume at all, you can't hear anything. So and for I found that 150 is standard one. First let's okay, so here we have run. It always give you output which were like particular set. So first you get the a property, then you change the property. But when you try to get for new, if you want to get output for new, it will give you previous one. So once you, if I have set 150 here, so I get here 200, which was earlier property I have set. So you need to run again. I think when you run again all this code, then only you will get new uh, uh, new property set by you. So 150 is already set, so no worry about that. So instead of this confusion, I will remove this. Okay, and this we need to paste here text. Here we have created input function. It's already there. Now we will here like what we have this provided in capture text.
PyTTSX3 is a text-to-speech conversion library in Python.
Okay, it is simple as it is. Then I will save this code. So remember, PyTTSX3 is a text-to-speech conversion library in Python. It is full text, okay? But what I found that when you save this file, it will not get saved fully. So instead of full sentence, it will get saved as partial sentence only. So let's check on that.
PyTTSX3.
Okay, have you heard that? It only gets saved till
PyTTSX3.
okay. So it is still 7:32 a.m. and that is not. Let's save it again. Okay. So here 7:33.
PyTTSX3.
Okay. No change at all. So though it looks promising, like similar to AI tools where we uh, convert text to audio part, it it gives hope, but it's not fully uh, compatible to AI tools we can see here. But what we can do here, you can convert this enter to text, and once this I think we can't, because I thought if we get let's check. Yeah, during this particular line, when that particular text getting audio, that you can save or record it somehow through your browser or screen recording, then it will work, because saving from this particular code, it is not giving complete output. Also you can go through this, they have projects link, different projects link, and full documentation as well. So you can go through this, and if you find any other features as well, or what we have encountered this particular issue saving voice, if you found that, then please let me know in comment. So that's it for today, and we will meet tomorrow with new stream. Hope you like this video. If you like, then like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel, and we will meet tomorrow. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye, take care. Thank you.